fantastic 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhouse, fully furnished and fully staged by Ashley Home Designs. We have over $15,000-$20,000 worth of furniture and design work done in this home. You have a 1-car garage, nothing special. Carpet upstairs in your bedrooms, but what I love the most is your kitchen. You have granite quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, white shaker style cabinets, and when I say everything is ready to go, check out the inside of this closet. Guys, your cups and plates are even here. Over here we have a fantastic family room, and yes, it does come with a TV and the fake orange. Outside you have a private backyard with a little extra green space in the back. The home also comes fully equipped with accordion shutter, so you're ready to go for any storm the South Florida can throw at you. Follow me back upstairs. Like I mentioned, we have beautiful carpet on the floors, leading up to your 3 bedrooms. First, we're going to show off the master. To the right, you have a walk-in closet. You have 2 vanity sinks and a stand-up shower. Let me take you over to the other bedrooms. Washer and dryer upstairs, so you don't have to lug your clothes around anymore. Fantastic kids room, already designed for Lightning McQueen. I know my son wants this place. And our 3rd bedroom is a more mature design for an older teen. Your 2nd bath is fully equipped with a tub and matching white shaker cabinets. Thank you for checking out my listing. Don't forget to give me a call if you want to schedule your showing. Daniel Ayers, 786-619-7969.